And it's 3 hours on site or 3 hours total to get the product to the customer?
3 hours on site and then another few hours to edit all the stuff.
And are you doing all this yourself?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Are you looking to add anybody to your team?
Absolutely.
What are you looking for? Why don't you tell the audience?
I'm afraid to go on vacation.
That's how you know you're successful.
To put it that way. I mean, I have a vacation planned for the end of August, but I need people that are gonna fill in for me, that are gonna do a good job.
We take pictures for the rentals,
Yep.
and we always lead off what's called the money shot, and it's usually the kitchen or the living room, like the most focal point or the most used point.
The one
of
that
the
people
house.
love.
Correct.
If people love the kitchen's according to many of my clients, the kitchen is the most important room in the house.
The bedroom second.
Yes. There was 2 doors to get into one bedroom, and they were both on the same side of the hall. So it wasn't like you're just odd. It wasn't like
2
bad.
doors to the same room?
2 doors to the same room. So like say you're walking down the hall. You pass the bathroom door,
Yep.
open up. Then say you got the bedroom coming up on the left, you got one door. Then you walk like 2 feet down and you got the other door, and it's the same side going
Same
into the
wall?
same bedroom. It's not creepy or anything, don't
Yeah,
get me
but
wrong,
it's
just unusual. I don't know if I've seen anything that's like scary.
Any ghosts?
No, not yet. I hope
It's coming.
I hope not for a while. Sometimes people will do like a game room,
Yeah.
or like a movie room,
A
or like
man
an
cave.
office.
That was a ghost.
Yeah, the ghost is haunting us. People are like, "Why choppy media? Like, you don't want your media to be choppy." And then I'm like, then I feel like I go to them and I go,
Non-choppy.
and I'm
media.
like, "What do you want me to change my last name? Like, I'm sorry, my name's Choppy. Like,
That's
I gotta have my
funny,
brand.
actually.
It's
I
like,
didn't
what do
think
you want
of
me
that.
to change my last name? Like, I'm providing non-choppy media. Like, my media is smooth